how to soothe your throat naturally. On days when the weather changes, I often feel a dry, scratchy, and easily irritated throat. So today I will share with you a natural syrup recipe using just 4 familiar kitchen ingredients, which is incredibly quick and takes less than 5 minutes to prep. This recipe has a quite pleasant taste, and both adults and children over 1 year old can use it to support their health. Before we begin, which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below to let me know. Now, let's get started together. Since this syrup is used directly without cooking, hygiene is my top priority to ensure safety. First, let's start with ginger. I mix a little salt into clean water to make a diluted saltwater solution. Then, I soak the ginger for about 5 minutes. Next, I cut off the damaged parts and wash them thoroughly. It's important to completely remove all damaged parts because mold toxins can easily spread to new areas. I use a spoon to scrape off the ginger skin. You might not know this, but using a spoon allows us to navigate the ginger's curves easily. More importantly, it preserves most of the flesh right under the skin, where the essential oils and antioxidants are most concentrated. Then I use a grater to finely grate it. Grating breaks down the ginger's cell walls, fully releasing its bioactive compounds, especially gingerol. This ensures the syrup achieves its maximum anti-inflammatory effect when entering the throat. I need to get about 2 tablespoons of prepared fresh ginger. The next ingredient is garlic. I separate the cloves from the main bulb. We will need about 4 to 5 cloves for this recipe. I start peeling the garlic. While peeling, I always choose plump cloves that haven't sprouted or spoiled. Fresh garlic is packed with sulfur compounds, which are key to this spice's powerful antibacterial properties. Next, I slice the garlic into small pieces before blending. Slicing the garlic beforehand not only makes blending easier, but also allows the garlic cells to interact with oxygen, promoting the formation of antioxidant compounds. Then I put all the sliced garlic into the hand blender cup. I blend the garlic with a hand blender. There is a fascinating biological fact. When garlic is crushed or finely blended, a powerful natural antibiotic compound called allicin is released and activated, helping the body fight off harmful viruses and bacteria. Finally, I transfer all the blended garlic and the precious garlic juice from the cup into the bowl of pre-grated ginger. Now I add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. I usually choose organic vinegar with the mother at the bottom. Next is 4 teaspoons of filtered water to tone down the pungent, spicy flavor and help the ingredients dissolve more easily. The next ingredient is 4 tablespoons of raw honey. I prefer using a wooden spoon to preserve its natural enzymes. Honey acts as a protective coating, soothing the throat and quickly reducing irritating coughs. After that, I mix all the ingredients well to blend them completely into a smooth mixture. Next, I prepare a clean glass jar. Using a glass jar instead of a plastic one helps preserve the syrup longer without worrying about chemical reactions, altering the nutrients. I use a spoon to transfer the mixture into the glass jar, a little at a time. Finally, I use a wooden spoon to mix everything one more time directly in the jar to ensure it is thoroughly blended. Each time I open the lid and use a clean spoon to scoop a large tablespoon of syrup, making sure to include some of the grated ginger and garlic. I hold it at the back of my throat for 10 to 15 seconds to coat and soothe the lining, then swallow slowly. Holding it allows the anti-inflammatory compounds to work better. I repeat this 3 times a day, in the morning after eating, in the afternoon, and before bed. If you find the flavor too strong, you can mix a tablespoon of syrup into a glass of warm water at 40 degrees Celsius and sip it slowly. This warm drink tones down the pungent flavor while keeping your throat and chest warm, especially in the early morning or at night. And that's our respiratory protection syrup done. The combination of ginger, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and honey creates a gentle, protective coating. Honey quickly calms dry coughs at night, while ginger instantly warms and clears the airways. Meanwhile, the natural antibiotics in garlic and probiotics from organic apple cider vinegar help cleanse the throat. Taking this syrup daily not only clears your respiratory tract, but also boosts immunity with essential vitamins, helping your body adapt easily to seasonal changes. I wish you all stay healthy and full of energy with this daily habit. Next, I will share with you the cumin ginger tea that I drink daily to detox my body from within. Let's make it together. First, I take 1 tablespoon of dried cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are rich in antioxidants, excellent for supporting the digestive system, and help instantly relieve bloating and indigestion. I pour the cumin seeds into a small blender and blend until fine. Grinding the seeds before cooking breaks their hard outer shells, fully releasing the aromatic essential oils and bioactive compounds into the tea. Then, I transfer all of this fine powder into a small pot for cooking. Next here is ginger. For this ginger root, I have already peeled off the skin, then use a small grater to finely grate it and take about 1 tablespoon. Everyone knows that ginger has great warming properties. I frequently use ginger to warm the stomach, support the immune system, and help the body burn energy more effectively. I put this grated ginger directly into the pot with the cumin powder. The aroma is already so pleasant. Now, I pour in 1 liter of filtered water to bind all the nutrients together. I place the pot on the stove, bring it to a boil, then turn down the heat to simmer for 5 minutes. This helps the ginger and cumin release all their wonderful aroma and precious essences. Science has proven that gentle heat from simmering is the perfect catalyst to activate the antioxidants in cumin seeds, making them much easier for the body to absorb. After 5 minutes, I turn off the heat and let the tea cool down until it's just warm. While waiting for the tea to cool down, I will cut a lemon in half and squeeze its juice. A quick tip: roll the lemon gently on the counter a few times before cutting. This breaks the juice sacs and helps you yield the maximum amount of juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which supports the natural gut cleansing process and brings a very refreshing feeling. Remember to let the tea cool down to a warm temperature before adding the lemon, so the vitamin C won't be destroyed by high heat. When the water has cooled to a warm temperature, I pour the clear liquid into my personal teapot. Since my teapot already has a built-in strainer, I can just pour the tea directly from the pot. It's incredibly quick and convenient, with no need for a separate messy strainer. Finally, I add the lemon juice directly into the strained teapot, stir gently, and it is ready to enjoy. Each time, I only pour about 50 milliliters from the teapot into a glass and drink it around 30 minutes before meals. Drinking a small amount of warm liquid before eating helps wake up the digestive system and prepares the stomach to absorb nutrients better. With the first sip, I can feel the gentle, distinct aroma of cumin seeds blending with the warm, pungent kick of ginger. Combined with the lemon juice, the flavor becomes refreshing and very pleasant. After drinking, my stomach feels much lighter and more comfortable, with none of the bloating I used to experience. However, please keep in mind that everyone's body is different. If you have any special health conditions or are under medical supervision, please consult your doctor before trying any new recipe. I hope the 2 recipes shared today will become helpful companions for you and your family in the coming time. If you have any other natural tips or recipes, please feel free to share them with me in the comments below. I'm eager to learn more from everyone. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time to join me in the kitchen. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support me in creating more meaningful content. Wish you a peaceful day filled with health and joy. See you all in the next videos.